The eye cannot take in all this misery, only as far as it can see. This chaos is the result of a desperate rush for survival. Scores of thousands of people, with whatever they had time to grab, with whatever they could carry, have made Banja Luka the centre of human tragedy, the description of an aid worker, and one not liable to contradiction. This is a human logjam. Banja Luka sits astride the only safe road from Krajina through Serb-controlled Bosnia. There's a constant stream of refugees seeking a semblance of shelter. For 200 kilometers, they continually pour in and out to the Serbian border. They survived the war in their towns and villages. They were shelled as they walked and drove the roads. Now they follow the one in front, and no one is sure where they're going. And it's been like this for 5 days. Some emergency feed shelters have been established, and food is a must here, though few feel like eating. This couple were working their farm when they suddenly had to go. In 1 hour, they'd packed and left. "I've left my parents behind," she said, "and I'm still wearing the clothes I had on 5 days ago." There's no water, no food, and little hope, and there are breakdowns, and lack of fuel adds to the problems for the refugees. Behind them, their homes are looted and probably all burned. What they have left is all that they can carry, and there is no going back. They know that, because there's nothing to go back for. Local officials are suggesting that anything up to 220,000 refugees are heading through northern Bosnia, an impossible mission for the aid agencies. We met this family, a grandfather, 100 years old. They doubted he would make the journey. This bus left Krajina last Friday. Since then, they've travelled just over 100 miles, and now they've run out of fuel, water and food. How long has it been on the road? Baby Nicolina is nearly 3 weeks old. She spent almost a third of her life on this bus. Do you have any food for the baby, for yourselves?
No.
Her mother told me she was breastfeeding the baby, but she herself hadn't eaten since yesterday. 2 weeks ago, there was a concerted international effort to threaten breakaway Serbs with bombing. Now they need the same intensity of effort to save them. Colin Baker, News at 10, Banja Luka.